Bird flu concerns hit a fever pitch here in Massachusetts.
Growing concerns about bird flu.
61 people have been infected.
The disease is becoming more proficient at replicating in human cells.
Bird flu, also known as avian influenza, is a virus that primarily spreads between birds. We've seen over 166 million birds killed across the U.S. by bird flu. We've also seen bird flu infect dairy cows, and it's killed one elderly individual in Louisiana. In late January 2025, I flew down to Texas, which is the first state where bird flu was detected in dairy cows. I met with fourth-generation dairy farmer Joe Canali and toured his farm for a day. He told me that he thinks the federal government needs to be providing more financial resources for poultry or dairy farmers that are hit with bird flu. These farmers want the general public to understand the financial pressures that they're under should bird flu hit their farms, and the potential government oversight that could expose them to.
Trump administration unveiling a new strategy in fighting bird flu.
In late February 2025, the Trump administration's Agriculture Department announced a $1 billion investment in bird flu response, but public health experts that I've spoken with caution that recent actions by the Trump administration may have potentially ensnared bird flu response, and they are concerned about the fallout from that.
Elon Musk leading the DOGE efforts to downsize the government. The list of laid-off federal workers continues to grow.
The Agriculture Department accidentally laid off some staff that were involved in bird flu response. This included some individuals who were working at an office that coordinated bird flu testing nationwide. The Agriculture Department, they're attempting to rehire those individuals, but it has not made clear whether it's actually brought all of the people it mistakenly fired back into office. In addition, there's been some concern that some of Trump's executive orders have frozen federal funds that would assist or expand bird flu research. Additionally, there has been some concern that the Trump administration has frozen public correspondence about the status of bird flu.
The Trump administration has told federal health agencies to pause external communications.
That includes regular scientific reports, updates to websites, and health advisories.
The Trump administration did eventually release the bird flu studies, but public health officials say they're not being updated at the same frequency as the previous administration. We'll be watching to see whether any additional layoffs within federal agencies, any pauses to more federal funding, or moratoriums on public health communications around bird flu further ensnare the Trump administration's response to the virus and its spread.